How to boost bass in Spotify. Looking for a way to boost the bass in Spotify? In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the equalizer and give your music a deeper, more powerful sound. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. Once you're in, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on Playback. From there, scroll down until you find the Equalizer option and open it. You'll now see different sound settings. Look for the Bass Booster option and select it. Spotify will automatically adjust the equalizer levels to increase the bass. If you want more control, you can also manually move the individual sliders and adjust them to your preferred sound. And that's it. You've successfully boosted the bass in Spotify. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.